Hello my dear friends, in this video we are going to know about the complete information relating to the G7. Group of 7 is symbolically called as the G7. It is an intergovernmental organization of the leading democratic economies of the world. It is established in the year 1975 to collaborate in the matters of economy, governance, international relations and internal security as well. There is no place of headquarters particularly for this organization, and there is no particular constitution for the matters and proceedings. The G7 meets annually, attended by the heads of the nations to talk on the various matters in the rotation basis. The decisions and the policies are non-binding in the nature. The G7 is framed up by the countries of Canada, France, Germany, Italy, Japan, United Kingdom and USA, and later called as the G8 by the joining up of the Russia into this group in the year 1997. The G8 also formed the G20, which means group of 20 nations, to accommodate more emerging economies like India in the year 1999. Hence, India is the part of it since its inception of G20. The G8 was again back to the G7 in the year 2014 due to the Russia expelled from the group by the annexation of the Crimean region of the Ukraine. This act was opposed by the other nations. Since then, it is continued as the group of 7 again. The G7 is in the news in the context of the 47th G7 summit recently held in the UK and invited the India along with the Australia and South Korea to participate in the summit as a guest countries. It strengthens the idea of converting G7 to the G10 by joining India, Australia and South Korea into this group to tackle the Chinese influence on the global economy. In this context, we should estimate the importance of India's participation in the G7 summit. The invitation of the UK accepted by the India due to UK is a member of the P5, which will support the India in the United Nations for the permanent membership in the UN Security Council for India. Of course, India was also invited for the G7 summit of 2020, which was supposed to host by the US but not took place due to prevailing pandemic situations then. The participation of India at the 45th summit in the year 2019 is a reflection of the deepening strategic partnership and recognition of India as a major economic power around the globe. Previously, India has also participated in the summits of the G8 between the year 2005 to 2009. It tells the historic relationship of India with this group. This year, the G7 held with an objective of Build Back Better, which will intended to unite and lead democracies to help the world build back better from the coronavirus situations and to create a greener and more prosperous future. In this context, India will have its own significance in the G7 as it is the current president of the BRICS and president of the G20 in the year 2023. Hope India will play a key role in the driving the multilateral cooperation to help the build back better around the world.